Hi, the painting I'm talking about is Goldfish by Henri Matisse, done in 1912 with oil on canvas. For Henri Matisse, expressionism meant the presentation of color outside of nature. He was one of the avant-garde artists in the opening decades of the 20th century and led the artistic movement of Fauvism. For the Fauves, the wild beasts, color became the formal element most responsible for pictorial coherence and the primary conveyor of meaning. These artists were most known for their dramatic use of intense juxtaposing color, almost impossible to find in nature, to achieve expressive ends. Upon the legacy of artists such as Vincent van Gogh and Paul Gauguin, Henri Matisse liberated color from its descriptive function and explored the effects color could have on emotions. Through sweeping brush strokes and bold patterns, Matisse further released internal feelings. Looking at Goldfish, the still life says much about emotions. The entire picture is flattened and there is almost no delineation of space. Colors are very dramatic. All over the composition, pink, black, and various degrees of green occupy the canvas, and most conspicuous to me is the bright orange-red goldfish in the center, attracting the most attention. Goldfish was of a recurring subject to Henri Matisse in his paintings. He visited Tangier, Morocco in 1912, where he noted how the locals would stare into goldfish bowls for hours. And just like other Europeans, Matisse admired this relaxed and contemplative lifestyle. These goldfish, swimming much at their ease in a garden full of blooming flowers and vibrant green plants of all kinds, represent a tranquil state of mind to Henri Matisse. Further, the fish are evocative of a paradise already lost, a subject frequently seen in art before. In Ed and Arcadia Ego, Nicholas Poulsen expressed similar sentiments, and Paul Gauguin pursued similar desire toward an exotic, mysterious land with another relaxing lifestyle in many of his paintings from Tahiti. The fascination of Matisse with gardens may come from his familiarity with Islamic art, in which gardens, water, and vegetation symbolize the beauty of divine creation and paradise. The exaggerating colors draw the viewer to the pleasure of quietly gazing at the graces of dazzling goldfish. The tall cylindrical fish tank has enabled the artist to create rounded contours with the top and bottom of the tank, the surface of the water, and the table surface. The depiction of space also creates attention. The viewer can simultaneously see the fish from two angles. From the front, one could see and immediately recognize every detail. From above, only coarse, colorful brush strokes suggest the presence of the fish. The transparent glass surface have also distorted the plants in the back. The plants and flowers are depicted in a decorative manner. Matisse painted the upper section where the background is pink on the left and strewn with rose-colored flowers on the right as a patterned wallpaper comprised of flattened shapes. There is no recession of space or dimension. Also, the tabletop is unrealistically tilted upwards, and in real life the fish tank and the two flower pots would have fallen to the ground. This contrast of viewpoints and spatial ambiguity created by Matisse was inspired by the still life paintings of Paul Cézanne.